In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Two-Face ID on iPhone on iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 18, you can set up two different Face ID on the device. With this, you can add your child or your wife's or use a mask to set up additional Face ID on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to use Two-Face ID on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. So go ahead and search for that Face ID and passcode here. Then type in your iPhone passcode. Then once that's unlocked, you want to scroll down a bit. Then tap set up an alternative appearance. You should see the Face ID pops. Here you need to set up Face ID, which is going to be your second Face ID. I am not going to go through this process because this is similar to how you can easily set up any Face ID on iPhone. Now on iOS 18, to do this, all you just need to do is click on Get Started. Then go ahead and capture your face to set up the Face ID. Now, to use Face ID with a mask, just tap Face ID with a mask to turn it on. Then here you should see Use Face ID with a mask. And then go ahead and use Face ID with a mask, or don't use Face ID with a mask. To use Face ID with a mask, click on Use Face ID with a mask, and then set up the new Face ID, putting on mask. So with this, you're going to have two different Face ID on your iPhone on iOS 18 with a mask or without a mask. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.